Today, I want to talk to you about the power of dreaming big and the importance of taking action. You see, dreams are not just visions that float in the air, they are the blueprints of our lives. Every great achievement, every significant change in the world began with a dream, a spark of inspiration that ignited a fire within someone. But here's the catch: dreaming is just the beginning. To make those dreams a reality, we must be willing to take action. Now, let me tell you something important: dreams don't work unless you do. You can have the most incredible vision for your life, but if you sit back and wait for it to happen, it will remain nothing more than a fantasy. It's easy to get caught up in the allure of dreaming big. We often look at successful people and think their lives are perfect, that their paths to success were paved with ease. But that's not the whole story. Behind every success story, there are countless hours of hard work, persistence, and yes, a fair share of failures. It's not enough to simply wish for greatness, you have to put in the effort to achieve it. Taking action requires courage. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and facing the unknown. Fear will always be present. It's a natural part of pursuing something worthwhile. But let me tell you this, on the other side of fear lies freedom. When you push through that fear and take that first step, you'll find that it's not as daunting as it seems. Each small step you take will lead to another, and before you know it, you're moving closer to your dreams. Remember, every big achievement is made up of a series of small, consistent actions. Let's talk about setbacks for a moment. They are an inevitable part of any journey. You will face challenges, and there will be times when you stumble. But it's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up.
Resilience is the key to turning dreams into reality. When you encounter obstacles, view them as opportunities to grow. Each challenge can teach you valuable lessons that will strengthen your resolve and sharpen your skills.
Now, I want you to envision your dreams. Close your eyes for a moment and picture them vividly. What does your life look like? Who are you surrounded by? What impact are you making in the world? Hold on to that image because it's powerful. That vision will serve as your guiding light. But remember, that vision alone is not enough. You need to set goals that will lead you to that vision. Break your dreams down into actionable steps. Create a plan and don't be afraid to adjust it along the way. Accountability is another essential element in the pursuit of your dreams. Share your goals with someone who will support and challenge you. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift you, who believe in your vision, and who inspire you to take action. Sometimes we all need a little nudge to keep us moving forward. As you embark on this journey of dreaming big and taking action, I encourage you to cultivate a mindset of gratitude. Appreciate the progress you make, no matter how small. Celebrate your victories and learn from your failures. Gratitude will fuel your motivation and keep your spirits high even in challenging times. In conclusion, I want you to leave here today with one message: dream big, but remember that dreams alone are not enough. They require action, persistence, and an unwavering belief in yourself. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it propel you forward. Every great journey begins with a single step, so take that step today. You have the power to shape your future, to turn your dreams into reality. Now go out there and make it happen. Dreaming is the foundation of success. It begins with a vision. Every remarkable achievement, every groundbreaking innovation, and every transformative movement in history started as a dream in someone's mind. These dreams are not mere fantasies. They are powerful visions that have the potential to change our lives and the world around us. They provide us with direction and purpose, fueling our motivation to strive for something greater than ourselves. When we dare to dream big, we open ourselves up to possibilities we never thought possible. A vision serves as a guiding star in our journey. It helps us to identify what we truly want in life and gives us a sense of purpose. This is why it is crucial to take the time to dream without limitations, to allow ourselves to envision the best possible version of our lives. When we dream, we tap into our creativity and imagination. We begin to visualize what our lives could look like if we pursued our passions and aspirations wholeheartedly. This process can be incredibly empowering, igniting a fire within us that compels us to take action. However, it's essential to recognize that not all dreams are created equal. While some dreams are grand and audacious, others may be more modest yet still deeply meaningful. The key is to ensure that our dreams resonate with who we are and align with our values. When our dreams reflect our true selves, they become more than just wishes. They transform into a calling that drives us forward. This alignment is vital because it provides us with the intrinsic motivation needed to persevere through challenges and setbacks. Moreover, dreaming big is not just about personal success, it can also inspire others. When we share our visions with the world, we create ripples of influence. Our dreams can motivate those around us to pursue their aspirations, creating a collective energy that fosters growth and innovation. By daring to dream, we challenge the status quo and encourage others to break free from the limitations they may impose on themselves. In this way, dreaming becomes a powerful catalyst for change, not just in our own lives, but also in the lives of others. However, it's important to acknowledge that the journey from dream to reality is not always straightforward. Along the way, we may encounter doubts, criticisms, and obstacles that threaten to derail us. This is where the strength of our vision plays a crucial role. A strong, vivid dream serves as a source of motivation during tough times, reminding us of why we began this journey in the first place. When challenges arise, we can revisit our vision and rekindle our passion, reigniting our determination to push through adversity. To dream big is to believe in the potential for greatness, but it also requires action. It's one thing to have a dream, it's another to actively pursue it. This pursuit begins with setting clear goals that align with our vision. Goals provide structure and direction, helping us break down our dreams into manageable steps. They serve as milestones on our journey, giving us a sense of progress and accomplishment as we work towards our ultimate vision. Ultimately, dreaming big is about embracing our imagination and daring to believe that we can create the life we desire. It's about seeing beyond our current circumstances and envisioning a future filled with possibility. This process is not only essential for personal growth, but also for inspiring change in the world around us. As we embrace our dreams, we cultivate a mindset of hope, creativity, and resilience. We empower ourselves to take action, knowing that every great achievement begins with the courage to dream big. Action is essential. Dreams alone do not create change. While dreaming is a vital first step, it's the actions we take that ultimately transform those dreams into reality. Many people find themselves stuck in the realm of dreaming, captivated by their visions, but hesitant to make the necessary moves to bring those visions to life. This is where the divide between dreamers and doers emerges. Dreamers have ideas, aspirations, and potential, but doers are the ones who roll up their sleeves and work tirelessly to achieve their goals. The world is filled with individuals who have extraordinary dreams, yet only a fraction of them take the steps needed to turn those dreams into tangible outcomes. Taking action requires courage and commitment. It's easy to talk about our dreams, to share them with others, and to imagine what could be. However, when it comes to taking the first step, many of us hesitate. We may fear failure, worry about judgment, or feel overwhelmed by the enormity of our aspirations. But let me remind you that fear is a natural part of the process. Every successful person has experienced fear and uncertainty, yet they chose to push through those feelings and take action anyway. It is in the moments of discomfort that true growth occurs. When we confront our fears and take that leap, we discover our strength and resilience. Action also creates momentum. The more we act, the more progress we make, and the more motivated we become. Each step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goals. This momentum builds confidence, propelling us forward with greater intensity. You might start with a simple action, a phone call, a workout, or a conversation about your dreams. These small actions accumulate, and over time, they lead to significant change. The key is to stay consistent and remain committed to the process. Even when progress feels slow, each action contributes to your journey. Moreover, taking action opens up new opportunities. When you start to move toward your dreams, you create pathways that you might never have noticed while simply contemplating your goals. You begin to meet new people, discover resources, and gain insights that can help you along the way. Every action creates a ripple effect, expanding your network and increasing your chances of encountering new opportunities. This is where the magic happens. When you step out of your comfort zone, the universe responds. You'll find that doors begin to open, and the support you need often appears when you least expect it. It's important to understand that taking action doesn't mean you have to have everything figured out from the start. In fact, many successful individuals will tell you that their journey was anything but linear. They learned through doing, adapting their plans as they gained experience and insights. The willingness to take imperfect action is crucial. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment or the ideal conditions. You simply need to start. Embrace the idea that making mistakes is part of the process. Each misstep is a lesson that brings you closer to your goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is another vital aspect of taking action. Goals provide direction and clarity, helping you outline the steps you need to take to realize your dreams. Break your larger vision down into smaller, manageable tasks and prioritize them. This approach makes it easier to stay focused and maintain momentum. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way, no matter how small, as each victory reinforces your commitment and propels you forward. Additionally, accountability plays a significant role in the process of taking action. Share your goals with others who will encourage you and hold you accountable. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and challenge you to stay on track. Their support can be invaluable in keeping you motivated and focused on your path. Together, you can celebrate each other's progress, share insights, and navigate challenges. In conclusion, the path from dreaming to achieving requires action. It's a journey that demands courage, commitment, and resilience. When we take that initial step and continue to move forward, we unlock the potential within ourselves and pave the way for our dreams to become reality. So dream big, but remember that it's the actions you take that will truly shape your destiny.
Resilience is key. Setbacks are opportunities for growth and learning in our pursuit of dreams. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, and no path to success is without its obstacles.
Setbacks can take many forms: failed projects, missed opportunities, personal challenges, or unexpected changes in circumstances. These moments can be disheartening and may lead us to question our abilities or the validity of our dreams. However, it is how we respond to these setbacks that defines our character and determines our future success. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. It is the ability to bounce back from challenges and maintain a positive outlook despite adversity. Developing resilience is crucial for anyone who seeks to achieve their dreams, as it enables us to navigate the inevitable storms we encounter along the way. Rather than viewing setbacks as roadblocks, we can learn to see them as stepping stones that lead us to new opportunities and insights. One of the first steps in building resilience is to adopt a growth mindset. This mindset is rooted in the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. When we encounter setbacks, instead of viewing them as failures, we can reframe our thinking to see them as valuable lessons. What did we learn from the experience? How can we apply this knowledge moving forward? This shift in perspective allows us to extract meaning from our challenges and fuels our desire to continue pursuing our goals. Moreover, resilience is strengthened through experience. The more we face challenges and overcome them, the more equipped we become to handle future difficulties. Each setback we encounter teaches us valuable lessons about ourselves and the world around us. We gain insights into our strengths and weaknesses, which ultimately contribute to our personal growth. As we navigate through life's ups and downs, we build a toolkit of strategies that help us cope with adversity. This might include developing problem-solving skills, enhancing our emotional regulation, or learning to seek support from others. Another vital aspect of resilience is the importance of maintaining a strong support system. Surrounding ourselves with positive and encouraging individuals can provide a crucial buffer against the challenges we face. Friends, family, mentors, or colleagues can offer different perspectives, emotional support, and practical advice during tough times. Sharing our struggles with trusted individuals can lighten the burden and help us see our situation in a new light. They can remind us of our capabilities and encourage us to stay focused on our goals. In addition, self-care plays a significant role in building resilience. Taking care of our physical, emotional, and mental well-being is essential for maintaining our strength in the face of adversity. Engaging in regular exercise, eating nutritious foods, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness or relaxation techniques can help us recharge and bolster our resilience. When we prioritize our health and well-being, we equip ourselves to handle challenges more effectively. It is also important to recognize that setbacks do not define us. They are part of the journey, not the entirety of it. Accepting that failure is a natural aspect of growth allows us to detach our self-worth from our achievements. We can acknowledge our setbacks without allowing them to diminish our confidence or belief in our dreams. When we understand that everyone experiences setbacks, we can foster a sense of camaraderie with others who are on similar journeys. This shared experience can create a sense of community and support that enhances our resilience. Furthermore, cultivating an attitude of gratitude can enhance our ability to bounce back from setbacks. When we focus on the positives in our lives, even amidst challenges, we create a mental environment that fosters hope and resilience. Gratitude allows us to appreciate the lessons learned from setbacks and recognize the progress we've made, no matter how small. It shifts our focus from what we lack or what went wrong to what we have and what is possible. Ultimately, resilience is a vital skill that empowers us to navigate the uncertainties of life. By embracing setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, we equip ourselves with the tools needed to pursue our dreams with tenacity. Through a growth mindset, a supportive network, self-care, and an attitude of gratitude, we can cultivate the resilience necessary to thrive in the face of adversity. When we learn to rise above challenges, we unlock our true potential and pave the way for a fulfilling and successful life. Gratitude is transformative. It enhances our journey and propels us toward our dreams. The practice of gratitude is more than just a feel-good sentiment. It is a powerful tool that can shape our mindset, influence our actions, and ultimately impact our success. When we cultivate gratitude in our lives, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of abundance that can inspire and motivate us to pursue our goals with renewed vigor. One of the most significant benefits of gratitude is its ability to improve our mental well-being. In a world that often emphasizes negativity and challenges, it can be all too easy to get caught up in feelings of discontent or frustration. However, gratitude allows us to reframe our perspective. By consciously acknowledging the positive aspects of our lives, we can combat negative thoughts and emotions. Research has shown that practicing gratitude can lead to lower levels of anxiety and depression, enhancing our overall mental health. When we feel mentally strong and balanced, we are better equipped to face the challenges that come our way. Gratitude also enhances our relationships with others. When we express appreciation for the people in our lives, we strengthen our connections and build a sense of community. A simple thank you can go a long way in fostering positive interactions and encouraging a supportive environment. Gratitude can create a ripple effect, inspiring those around us to adopt a similar mindset. This sense of community and support is invaluable when pursuing our dreams, as it reminds us that we are not alone in our journey. The encouragement and assistance we receive from others can bolster our confidence and motivate us to take action. Moreover, gratitude fosters resilience. When we encounter setbacks or challenges, practicing gratitude allows us to maintain a positive outlook. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, we can focus on the lessons learned and the opportunities that may arise from those experiences. This shift in mindset enables us to bounce back more effectively and maintain our commitment to our goals. Resilience is built on the foundation of gratitude, allowing us to persevere through difficulties and continue moving forward. In addition, gratitude enhances our motivation and drive. When we recognize and appreciate our progress, no matter how small, we cultivate a sense of accomplishment that fuels our desire to keep going. Celebrating our achievements reinforces our commitment to our goals and reminds us of our capabilities. It's easy to become discouraged when we encounter obstacles, but by practicing gratitude for the progress we've made, we can reignite our passion and determination. The act of writing down our thoughts of gratitude can also be a powerful practice. Keeping a gratitude journal allows us to reflect on the positive aspects of our lives regularly. This practice encourages mindfulness and helps us develop a deeper appreciation for the small joys we may otherwise overlook. By taking a few moments each day to write down what we are grateful for, we can retrain our minds to focus on the good, fostering a more optimistic outlook. Additionally, gratitude helps us to remain grounded in the present moment. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of future goals and forget to appreciate where we are now. Practicing gratitude encourages us to pause and acknowledge the present, allowing us to savor our experiences and the people around us. This mindfulness can enhance our overall satisfaction with life and remind us of the importance of the journey itself, not just the destination. Furthermore, embracing gratitude can open our eyes to new possibilities. When we focus on the positives, we become more open to recognizing opportunities that align with our dreams. Gratitude allows us to approach life with a sense of curiosity and wonder, which can lead to unexpected paths and discoveries. This mindset shift can be transformative, propelling us forward and encouraging us to explore new avenues that we may have previously overlooked. In conclusion, gratitude is a powerful catalyst that enhances our journey toward our dreams. It nurtures our mental well-being, strengthens our relationships, fosters resilience, and fuels our motivation. By consciously practicing gratitude, we can shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, allowing us to approach challenges with optimism and determination. When we embrace gratitude as a guiding principle in our lives, we unlock our potential and create a more fulfilling and successful journey.